Hello students, how are you all? Now many students have submitted their answer sheets of the exam what they have written at their home. Now I would like to really bring it to your notice that you are not supposed to write the paper 100-mark paper on such pin pages, because in board exam the size of the pages will not be like this, like a full scape notebook. So I would like all of you to buy from the market such supplementaries, okay, which are available over the counter. So you go to a stationery shop and you ask them कि board papers का supplementary हमको दो, and they will give you this. Around cost around 5 to 7 rupees for this supplementary booklet. So all of you please write your paper in such booklets only, so that you're used to that size, that margin, and especially for accounts it will be very useful to you, because if you're used to making formats in a full scape page, so your mind will be set according to it. I would like you that you use this type of supplementaries and practice on this, your formats and all, so that properly you can write in your board exam. So ये एक छोटी चीज़ है बट बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट है तुम सबके लिए, तो खास ये बात का ध्यान रखना। और पेपर अब से तुम जो सबमिट करोगे उसको ऐसे सप्लीमेंट्री में ही सबमिट करना, प्लीज़ प्लीज़ मेक अ नोट ऑफ इट। ओके, चलो बाय बाय ऑल।